Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add desktop audio or game audio to OBS. You should also be able to follow this method in Streamlabs OBS. Let's get into the method. Open OBS if you haven't already, and desktop audio should be recorded by default. You can check this by looking in the audio mixer section. If you don't see anything in here, click on the three dots icon and choose Unhide All, and then see if desktop audio shows up. If you see desktop audio here, make sure it's not muted by clicking on the audio icon, and when it's not red, it means it's not muted. You can also use the blue slider to change the volume. If you still don't see the desktop audio, there's a chance it's disabled in the settings. Open the settings by clicking on the settings button in the bottom right. Then choose audio from the left and look for the desktop audio option. Make sure this is set to either default or the sound device you want to record. If you have two channels, you can add another here as well. Click on OK to save these settings. There is one other way to add desktop audio. Close the settings and look for the sources section and click on the plus below this. Then choose audio output capture. Then click on OK. Then choose either default or your main audio device here and click on OK again, and it should be added to the audio mixer. That's how to add desktop audio or game audio to OBS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.